Hello, I'm J.R. Bonfoy, Systems Engineer at Samtec. I'm at IMS 2024, where Samtec has several cutting-edge live product demonstrations. The one we're looking at incorporates Samtec's full line of millimeter wave products. This includes our compression mount board connectors in both vertical and edge-launched designs, our new nitro-wave coaxial cable technology, analog over-array connector solutions, glass core technology, and flexible waveguide technology. As you can see, there's a lot going on this demonstration, so let's take a closer look. A waveform generator sends baseband IQ signals through 1 meter of Samtec nitro-wave coaxial cable. All 4 cables are phase matched to 1 picosecond. Samtec's new nitro-wave cable technology is phase and amplitude stable with flexure over time. These cables connect to a Samtec analog over array board via Samtec 2.92mm vertical compression mount RF connectors. Samtec analog over array technology can replace dozens of precision RF connectors and offer a smaller footprint, less weight, and cost optimization. The signals travel through another set of 10-inch phase-matched Samtec natural wave cables to a millimeter wave radio. We also see Samtec edge-launched connectors design, including 2.92 and 2.4 millimeter. On the radio, the baseband traffic is modulated to 73.2 GHz carrier frequency. The radio circuitry is built on glass using Samtec glass core technology. Samtec glass core technology is ideal for designing micro multi-chip modules. It provides low dielectric loss and therefore offers improved performance over PCB. Its CTE is close to silicon's, making it very stable when stacking device modules. It's ideal for integrating structures like filters, antennas, waveguides, and chip-to-chip links. The through glass vias are hermetic, and since it's glass, it's clear, which is also perfect for optics applications. The carrier frequency travels through 2 6-inch Samtec flexible waveguides separated by a programmable attenuator. Samtec flexible waveguide offers the near-loss performance of a rigid waveguide while still providing the flexibility and size typically associated with a coaxial cable. The signal takes a symmetrical path back to the digitizer through another millimeter wave radio, analog over array board, more nitro-wave cable, and back to the digitizer where we look at the quality of the QAM signal received. Analyzing the 256 QAM signal received, we see an SNR of about 30 dB and an EVM of 3%. Samtec offers complete RF interconnect solutions to 110 GHz millimeter wave frequencies. This includes end-to-end RF cable assemblies, board connectors, cable connectors, adapters, and Samtec original RF solutions. If you want to learn more about all of the products discussed in this video, stay tuned for a listing of websites. I'm J.R. Bonfoy. Thanks for watching.